Are you also tired of those fake promises about making money online? Everywhere you look, it's the same thing. Just follow this one step and start earning lakhs instantly. But the moment you try it yourself, nothing turns out as promised. Has that happened to you too? If yes, trust me, this video is especially for you. In this video, we'll talk about a truth that most people either hide or only partially share. We'll explore how you can make money online with zero investment, not even a single rupee. And most importantly, these are not unrealistic claims or hype. We're only going to talk about real methods that are already helping millions of people earn money from the comfort of their home, just using a laptop or smartphone. So if you genuinely want to know how to make money online without any investment in 2025, make sure you watch this video till the end, because it holds the real secrets that could be the perfect start to your online journey. First and foremost, understand this from the heart. Making money online is 100% possible. Yes, you can earn money just sitting at home with your mobile or laptop. But it requires three essential things: time, effort, and patience. Today, the internet is filled with countless promises. Get rich with dropshipping, earn lakhs through affiliate marketing, make money freelancing from home, become famous overnight with YouTube, and the list never ends. But what's the truth? The truth is, every method works. But not every method works for everyone. Let's say someone says you can earn money through graphic design. But if you don't know designing, that method won't work for you. Someone else suggests blogging. But if you're not into writing, that'll only lead to frustration. That's why you first need to figure out, what are your strengths? What skills do you already have? How much time can you give? And most importantly, what do you enjoy doing? Zero investment doesn't mean you'll earn without doing anything. It simply means you don't have to invest money, but you will need to invest your time, skills, effort, and passion. If you can invest your talent instead of money, if you're willing to keep learning and upgrading yourself, then trust me, the internet has no limits for you. You won't become rich overnight, but if you work consistently in the right direction, you can live the life you've only imagined until now. Freelancing, the most reliable way to earn from home. If you want to earn from home using just your mobile or laptop, freelancing is the path that can turn your dreams into reality. The best part? No office, no boss yelling at you, no traffic. All you need is a skill, an internet connection, and the will to learn. Let's dive into a few high-demand freelance skills and how to get started. 1. Content writing. If you enjoy writing and can explain a topic clearly and simply, content writing can be a great career. Opportunities. A health website needs articles. They need writers. A YouTuber needs scripts. They need writers. An e-commerce brand needs product descriptions. Again, they need writers. Where to start? Start publishing your work on LinkedIn or Medium. Create profiles on Fiverr and Upwork. Join Facebook groups to find clients. Pro tip: use tools like Grammarly to polish your writing. 2. Translation. In a country like India, where people speak multiple languages, translation has a huge scope. What can you do? Translate documents, websites, YouTube subtitles, etc. Who hires? Foreign companies often seek translators for Indian languages. Requirement: strong command over both source and target languages, not just words, but also emotion and meaning. Where to find work? Proz.com, Upwork, Fiverr, and translation agencies. 3. Video editing. Everyone is making videos today. YouTubers, Instagrammers, online course creators, and they all need good editors. What can you do? Trim footage. Add transitions, music, text, subtitles, animations. How to begin? Start with mobile apps like CapCut, VN, or InShot. Later, upgrade to Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Where to find clients? DM small YouTube creators create gigs on. Fiverr, Upwork target creators making Instagram Reels/Shorts. Social media management. Every brand and influencer wants a professional-looking social media presence, but not everyone has time to manage it. You can help with designing and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, suggesting trending hashtags and real ideas, sending weekly, monthly reports. Skills needed: familiarity with Canva, ability to create a content calendar, basic understanding of copywriting, Earnings: Rs 5,000 to Rs 30,000 per client per month, and you can handle multiple clients. 5. Voiceover: if your voice is clear, strong, and expressive, you can become a voiceover artist. Where can you work? YouTube channels, advertising agencies, audiobook platforms, online course creators. Getting started: use mobile apps like Dolby On or Voice Recorder. Later invest in a mic like Boya or Mayono. Earnings: Rs 100 to Rs 2,000 per minute. Depends on script and voice quality. 6. Graphic designing: if you love working with colors, layouts, and creativity, graphic designing could be your perfect fit. What can you design? Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, logos, brochures, even digital wedding cards. How to start? Begin with Canva, super easy and free. Later move to Photoshop or Illustrator. Earnings: Rs 300 to Rs 5,000 per design, based on client needs. 7. Data entry: if you're just starting and don't have any specific skill yet, data entry is a beginner-friendly path. What will you do? Typing documents, filling data into Excel sheets, completing online forms. Key requirements: good typing speed, attention to detail, accuracy. Where to find work? Freelancer, Guru.com, and other legit platforms. But beware, there are many scams in this space. Never pay money to get a job. So now, the choice is yours. Will you scroll through Instagram for 2 hours, or will you use that time to learn something useful? Will you keep making excuses, or will you finally start? Remember, zero investment means no money needed. But if you're not willing to work hard, even that's worthless. But if you pick just one skill and stay focused, within just 3 to 6 months, you can build your own income source. What does zero investment really mean? It means no money invested, but full investment of your time and effort. You don't need an office, a team, or big capital. Just your skill, your dedication, and a little patience. 1. Keep your samples ready in advance. Whether you're a content writer, graphic designer, or video editor, create a portfolio by working on some free projects or making your own samples. This will help clients understand the quality of your work. 2. Communicate professionally. Communication is key to getting work. Talk to clients in English or a clear language, avoiding typos. Understand their needs carefully and offer solutions accordingly. 3. Start with low rates. Smart strategy. Every successful freelancer was once a beginner. In the beginning, work at rates like Rs 300, Rs 500 to get reviews. After getting 4 or 5 good reviews, you can raise your prices and clients will trust you more. But what if you don't have any skills? No problem. Today, YouTube has become a university where you can learn any skill for free in Hindi. Where to learn from? YouTube channels like WS Tech, Freelancing, graphic designing, digital marketing. Learn Vern, data entry, Excel, Hindi tutorials. Great learning, content writing, video editing. Grow or Pranjal Kamra, finance-related freelancing ideas. What can you learn? Content writing, Canva designing, basic video editing. Instagram Reels editing, voiceover tips. Excel for beginners, social media content planning. And the best part, most of these skills can be learned in. Will you just keep thinking or take the first step today? Will you keep saying, I don't have money, or start with zero investment? Remember, the world gives opportunities to those who are ready to give themselves a chance first. Earning from a YouTube channel, without turning on the camera. Nowadays, who doesn't spend time on YouTube? But have you ever thought that instead of just watching, you can start your own YouTube channel and earn well? What's special? You don't need to turn on the camera, show your face, or have a big studio. How does this model work? Step 1. Choose the right niche. A good niche means a topic that people are interested in, has good search volume, remains evergreen for a long time. Top niches: motivation and self-improvement. Finance, investing, saving, side hustles. Tech, gadgets, apps, how-to guides. History and mystery, health tips, mythology and spirituality. Step 2. Prepare the script. If you like writing, do it yourself. Or you can use tools like ChatGPT to create high-quality, SEO-friendly scripts. Keep the script length between 800-1200 words for a 5-8-minute video. If you liked the video, make sure to like it so we know that you like this content. Don't forget to subscribe, as we will continue. To continue next video,